Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we are going to discuss chapter 6, numbers 10 to 20. Children, we have discussed this chapter already. Now we will start bookwork of this chapter. So kids, we will cover these topics in this chapter: concept of tens and ones, comparing numbers, before, after, between, backward counting and ordering. So children, take out your books and open page number 75. Question number 1 we will see in this chapter. Which page is there? Page number 75. So look here the question, fill in the blank boxes. Children, blank boxes are given here. You have to fill these boxes. Now let's move on the board. We will see this question on the board. First box is blank here. And number name is written FOURTEEN 14. So what you have to do, children? You have to write the number of this given number name. How we will write 14? We will write 14 like 1 and 4. This is called 14. I hope you have understood. Let's see another question. 16 is written here. Now you have to write the number name of this number. What is the spelling of 16? We will write that spelling. SIXTEEN 16. This is the spelling of 16. I hope you have understood. Now look at the question number 2. This is match the number with their number names. Children, here one side numbers are given and one side number names are given. You have to match numbers with their number names. So let's see this question on the board. We already discussed about number and number names, so you can do it very easily. See, first 1 to 12 is written. So we have to find out the spelling of 12 here in column B. What is the spelling of 12? The spelling of 12 is TWELVE. Now you can find out the spelling of 12 in column B. Now it is written on third number. So we will write number 3 in front of 12. Let's take one more question. Another number is 18. Now you have to find out the spelling of 18 here. Spelling of 18 is EIGHTEEN 18. Now it is written on number 1. So we will write 1 in front of 18. I hope you have understood. You can do others yourself. Now come at the question number 2. We already have discussed this question on the board. Now see question number 3. Fill in the boxes. Children, here few objects are given. You have to count these objects and write the number over there in the blank box. आपको blank box में number लिखना है. First of all, you will count the objects. Now see here. How many bananas are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many bananas are here? 15. So we will write 1, 5, 15. Then we have to find out on which place the digits are written. Here 5 is written at 1's place. So we will write 5 at 1's place, and 1 is written at 10's place. So we will write 1 in front of 10. I hope you have understood. I am giving you one example more. Now see these pencils. We will count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many pencils I have? I have 12 pencils. So how can we write 12? How we will write 12? We will write 12, 1 and 2. This is 12. Now we have to find out the number which are at tens place. Which number is here at tens place? 1 is at tens place, so we will write 1 in front of 10. And which number is at ones place? Here 2 is at ones place, so we will write 2 in front of ones. I hope you have understood. Rest of the questions you can do yourself. Now, this is the same question which we have discussed previously just now. Match the following. Now, what is written here? 1, 3, 13 is written here. We have to match 1, 3, 13 with their places which are given here. Here 1 is at tens place and 3 is at ones place. So, we have to find out 1, 10 and 3 ones here. It is written at the third number. So, we will write 3 here in front of 13. Now, I am giving you one more example. Let's move on the board with me. Now, see the another number. It is 1, 0, 10. We have to find out place value of these number. 0 is at ones place. So, first of all we will write 0 at ones place. And 1 is at tens place. So, we will write 1 at tens place. And we have to find out this number where it is written. It is written at the fifth number. So, we will write fifth number in front of 10. I hope you have understood. Now, see the next question. This is question number 5. Draw beads on the abacus to show numbers. Here abacus are given. So, what you have to do? You have to draw the beads according to their numbers. Here 1, 9, 19 is written. So, first of all we will draw 9 beads at ones place, and here 1 is at tens place. So, we will draw 1 bead at tens place. I hope you have understood. Now, let's move on the board. I will give you another example of it. The number is 1, 3, 13. What we will do? We will draw 3 beads at ones place because it is written at the ones place. 1, 2 and 3. And how many beads are at tens place? We will draw 1 bead at tens place. Number will become 1, 3, 13. Now, see the next question. Question number 6. Count the beads in the abacus and fill in the boxes. Here children, again this sum is based on abacus. What you have to do here? You have to count the beads and write the number of beads at their correct places. Suppose we are taking first question. Look here, beads are given in the picture. So, we have to count the beads. We will start counting from ones. How many beads are here at ones place? 6 beads are here at ones place. So, we will write 6 at ones place. And how many beads are here at tens place? 1 bead is at tens place. So, we will write 1 at tens place. What number is here? 16. Now, you can understand कि how we will make the number using abacus. Abacus को use करके हम number को कैसे form करेंगे. Now, see here, abacus is given. This place for ones, this is for tens and this is for hundreds. So, we will start counting beads from ones place. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many beads are here at ones place? Here 7 beads are at ones place. So, we will write 7 at ones place. And how many beads are here at tens place? 1 bead is here at tens place. So, we will write 1 at tens place. Which number is here? The number will become 1717. Rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now come at the question number 7. Write more or less in the boxes. Now what we have to do? We have to find out more or less in the boxes. First one is done. So children, now let us see on the board. Now children, two numbers are given here, 18 and 20. Now we have to find out this number is more or less. Children, you know the number which is closer to 0, that will be smaller, and the number which is farther from 0, that will be bigger. Here look at the counting. 0 is written here and 18 is written here and 20 is written here. So, between these two numbers, which number is closer to 0? 18 is closer to 0, so it will be less than 20. So 18 is less than 20. Children, you can do one thing more. You can compare their digits according to their places also. Here you can see, we will start compare the digit from tens place. Here 1 is written tens place and here 2 is written at tens place. Now you know which number is smaller? 1 is smaller. So 18, the whole number will be smaller than 20. I hope you have understood. Let's see another question. Numbers are given 15 and 11. Now look here in the counting, which number is closer to 0 between 15 and 11? Here 11 is coming first and 15 is coming later. So 11 is near to 0. 11 is closer to 0. So 11 will be smaller. So how we will read it? 15 is more than 11. 15 bada hai. So we will read it like 15 is more than 11. I hope you have understood. Now come to the next question, question number 8. Put the correct sign greater, lesser or equal to in the boxes. Now children, numbers are given. You have to again compare the numbers and put the sign of greater, lesser or equal to. Now we can see in this, हम इसमें देख सकते हैं, two numbers are here, 18 and 20. Now which number is greater here? Just now I told you 18 is smaller and 20 is greater. So which sign we will put it in front of 18? We will put the sign of lesser than in front of 18. What is the meaning of this? 18 is lesser than 20. Now see in the next, 15 and 11 are given. Now 15 you know is more than 11. So we will put the sign of greater than in front of 15. How we will read it? We will read it 15 is greater than 11. I hope you have understood and you can do the sum yourself. Now question number 9 देखिए. Write true or false. True or false is just like same the questions we have done just now. We will read the statement and we will write true or false for it. First of all, 12 is more than 10. Here children, now see 12 is written here and 10 is written here, and the statement said that 12 is more than 10. This is farther from 0, so it is the bigger number, it is more than 10. So this statement is correct. 12 is more than 10. I hope you have understood. Now see one more question here. Now we will see 11 is less than 13. Now tell me this statement is correct or wrong. If the statement is correct, then we will write true. If it is not correct, then we will write false. So, what is written here? 11 is less than 13. Now, see where 11? 11 is here and 13 is here, and the statement is saying 11 is less than. It is less than because it is near to 0. It is closer to 0. So, this statement is also correct. 11 is less than 13. So, we will write true in front of this. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now, come at the question number 10. 9 you can do yourself. Now, come at the question number 10. Color the box with the bigger number red and the smaller number green. Here boxes are given and numbers are written in the boxes. Here 7 is written and here is 9. What you have to do? You have to color the boxes. The number which is bigger, you have to color in that box red, and the number which is smaller, you will fill the color green in that box. Now, compare these numbers. Again you can compare. Look here. Numbers are 7 and 9. Now, find out 7 is closer to 0. So, this number is smaller. So, we will fill green color in this. Now, 9 is farther from 0. 9 is coming here. It is far from 0. So, we will fill red color inside it. I hope you have understood. Now, one more example. See, numbers are 6 and 14. What you have to do? Again, the number which is smaller, you have to fill green color in that, and the number which is bigger, you have to fill red color in that. Now, compare the number. Children, you can see this number is having only one digit and this number is having two digit, one digit and two digit. The number which is having less digit, that will be smaller. जिस number में कम digits होती हैं वो number smaller होता है. इस number में only one digit है तो it will be smaller. So, you will fill green color in this, and 14 is bigger, so you will fill red color inside this box. I hope you have understood. Now, see the next question. Question number 11. Color the box with the biggest number red and the smallest number green. Here children, three numbers are given. What you have to do? Again you have to find out the biggest and smaller. The smaller number you have to fill with green and the bigger number you have to fill with the red color. Numbers are 11, 12 and 17. Again you can check in the counting which number is closer to 0 among these three. 11 is closer to 0, so it will be smaller, and the 17 is farther from 0. It comes later in the counting, so this number will be biggest number. You will fill red color inside this box. I hope you have understood. Let's move on the board. We will see another. Three numbers are given: 17, 19 and 15. Now, you have to find out which number is closer and which number comes first in the counting. 15 comes first in the counting, so this number will be smaller. So, we will fill green color inside it, and which number is farther from 0 and which number comes later in the counting among these three. 19 comes later in the counting, so this number will be bigger. So, we will fill red color inside it. Now, let us see one more. 13, 18 and 11. Three numbers are again here. So, we have to find out bigger or smaller among these three numbers. Now, you will see which number comes later in the counting. 18 comes later in the counting among these three numbers. So, this will be bigger. We will fill red color inside it, and which number comes first in the counting among these three, that number will be smaller. 11 comes first and it is nearer to 0, and we can say it is closer to 0. So, this will be smaller and we will fill green color inside it. I hope you have understood. Now, see the next question, question number 12. This is also same which we have discussed previously, after, before or between. The statements are given and options are given here. You have to fill the correct box with the color. Now, we will read the statement. 11 is before. Children, here 3 options are given, 12, 10 and 9, and you have to find out 11 is before from which number. 11 किससे just पहले आता है? 11 is before 12. Now we will see before and after numbers. Children, here you can see counting is written. So we have to find out which number is before and which number is after. Here see 13 is written after 12. 13 12 के बाद में लिखा हुआ है. तो what we will say? We will say the number which comes after that will be at the right hand side. The number which is before that will be in the left hand side. देखिए here, look here everyone, 12 is before 13 and 11 is also before 12. So it is written at the right hand side. ये right hand side पे लिखे हुए हैं. So these are after numbers, and the number which are at the left hand side, these are before number. Look here, 15 is written here. So we have to find out the before number of 15. It is here at the left hand side. So this is before number. Now let's see this example. 13 number is written. So we have to find out before number of this. Before number comes at the left hand side. So what is written at the left side of 13? 12 is written at the left side of 13. So this is the before number of 13. 1 to 12, this is the before number of 13. Now see one more example. We have to write before number of 17. So again we will see in the counting the number which comes left side, that will be before number. Which number is written at the left side? 16 is written at the left side. So this number will be before number of 17. I hope you have understood. Now let's see one more. Again we have to write before number of 20. So we will check the number which is written at the left side. Which number is written at the left side of 20? This is 19. So we will write 19 in front of 20. Now we will see after number. What are after numbers? The numbers which are at the right side. जो नंबर राइट साइड पर होते हैं काउंटिंग में, these are after number. देखिए 14 is written here. We will see right side of the 14. This is 1, 5, 15. Or children, you can say after number is 1 more than to the given number. जो आफ्टर नंबर होते हैं वो एक ज़्यादा होता है गिवन नंबर से. ठीक है. नाउ this is the same question. Write the number that comes before, after, between. You can do this sum. Now we will see one more example of between number. हम between number का example देखेंगे. We are taking two numbers here. One number is 17. The other number is 19. We have to write the between number of these two numbers. What will come? If you know the counting, then you can write easily after, before number and between numbers. So look here, 17 is written here and 19 is written here. Which number is here between these two numbers? 18 is here between these two numbers. So 18 will come here in between numbers. Now Fill in the boxes. Children, you have to fill the boxes according to their counting. Counting is given here. 10 is already written. You have to write the after number of 10. You know what is after number? After 10 we will write 11. 12 is written, then you will write after 12 what will come? 13, 14 and 15. Look here again. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Numbers, only simple counting is given. Let's move on the board. 10 is written, blank. We have to complete this counting. So we have to move forward. हमें आगे बढ़ना होगा in counting. तो after 10 what we will write? We will write 11. 12 is written. 13 is written, then what you will write? You will write 1, 4, 14. I hope you have understood and you know the counting very well. In your previous classes, previous chapters, you have done the countings. So, let's start. Question number 15. Fill in the missing numbers. Children, these numbers are different. How they are different? Because they are in decreasing order. Because they are in reverse counting, and you can say these are in backward counting. What is backward counting? Backward counting means coming down from the stairs or biggest to smaller. You have to write the number from bigger to smaller. Here 15 is written, so you have to write the before number of 14, before number of 15. This is 14. 13 is written. You have to write the before number of 13, this is 12, then 11, 10, 9. I hope you have understood. Now let's move on the board. We will see one more example. 18, you have to fill these boxes, these blanks. Now what will come before 18? 17 will come before 18, and before 17 what will come? This is 16. 15 is already written, so we will write 1, 4, 14. This is the backward counting. It is just like coming down from the stairs. Now let's see question number 16. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Children, what is increasing order? Increasing means smaller to bigger. Here you have to find out a smaller number. Now you know very well which number is smaller and which is bigger. The number which is closer to 0, that will be smaller. So find out the smaller number here. 10 is closer to 0, so first of all we will write 10, then 11, 12, 13. Now let's see one more example. Let's move on the board. Suppose numbers are given 17, 16, 10 and 12. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So first of all we will compare the digits at their tens place. हम सबसे पहले digits को compare करेंगे जो tens place पे है. Everywhere 1 is written here tens place. Now we will move on ones place. अब हम move करेंगे ones place पर. Here 7 is written, 6 is written, 0 is written and 2 is written. Now you know very well 0 is smaller. So first of all we will write 1, 0, 10. Now leave this number, इस number को छोड़ दीजिए. Now compare the remaining numbers. This is 7, 6 and 2. Now which is closer to 0 here? 12 is closer to 0. So after 10 we will write 1, 2, 12. After 12, now you can see 17 and 16. Which number comes first in the counting? 16 comes first in the counting. So we will write 16 after 12 and last we will write 17. This is ascending order. Rest of the sum you can do yourself. Now see question number 17. Arrange the numbers in decreasing order. आपको numbers को arrange करना है decreasing order. What is the meaning of decreasing? Decreasing means bigger to smaller. आपको bigger से smaller में arrange करना है. So you have to find out bigger number first of all. Let's see. I am writing again few numbers on the board. These are 11, 17, 12 and 15. Now you have to find out bigger number among all these numbers. The number which is farther from 0, that will be bigger. So you can see in the counting 17 is farther from 0. So that will be bigger. Then leave this number and compare the remaining 3 numbers. Which is farther from 0 among 11, 12 and 15? 15 is farther from 0, so we will write 15 after it. Now leave this number and compare these 2 numbers. 12 is farther than 11, so we will write 12 first, then at last we will write 1, 1, 11. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sum you can do yourself. Now this is the question number 18. Write true or false. Children, here you have to read the statement which is given here. Here written 14 greater than 12, 12 is greater than 11, 11 is greater than 10. So this statement is correct. 14 is greater than 12, 11 is greater than 10. So this is the correct statement. So we will write true in front of it. Let's see one more example. This is the sign of greater than and this is the sign of lesser than. Now we will read it like 10 is lesser than 13, 13 is lesser than 17 and 17 is lesser than 18. So this is also true. Let's move on the board. We will see one more example there. Now I am writing few numbers. This is 12 is smaller than 14, 14 is smaller than 18 and 18 is smaller than 20. This is correct. This is the sign of smaller than and this statement is correct. So we will write true in front of it. Now we can see one more example. Now we will see the example of greater than. 17 is greater than 14. Now 14 is greater than 12 and 12 is greater than 10. So this is also correct. We will write true in front of it. Now let's see one question here. 11 is greater than 12. Children, you can see 11 क्या बड़ा है 12 से? No, this is not true. So we will write false in front of it. Read the whole question once. 11 is greater than 12. 11 is not greater than 12. 12 is greater than 13. 12 is also not greater than 13 and 13 is greater than 16. 13 is also not greater than 16. So this is false statement. We write false in front of it. I hope children you have understood this chapter very well. Now do practice this chapter at your home. We will discuss this chapter in our live doubt session. Thank you children.